Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Chrome theme. So we're going to start off going to this website, themebeta.com. So we're just going to open up whatever browser you use, go into ThemeBeta, and then you're ready to start. So the first thing we are going to be doing is tapping on Theme Creator, and we're going to wait for it to load. As soon as it's ready, you'll see these options: upload an image, generate colors, pack and install. So this is kind of the computer making a theme for you, because you just have to upload an image and then it'll make the rest for you. So I'm going to show you the more slightly complicated way of doing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into images, and we're going to start with the NTP background. So I'm going to choose this dark blue preset color. And now I'm going to do the frame. And I'm going to do it a turquoise color. There we go. And you can just do whatever you want with this. You can be as creative as you want with it. Frame overlay and NTV attribution you can only choose images for. So the colors area is really just for the text and icons. So toolbar, so tab text, I'm going to make pure white. So you're just going to put a whole bunch of F's in there. Not that many. Apparently I forgot how to do that. Anyways, I'll just do maybe just a really light blue. Background tab text, I'll keep it as it is. Buttons, I'll keep it as it is. Bookmark text, background tab text. You can make all of those however you want, and then all you need to do is go back into Basic and pack and install. So just save it to your files. What we're going to do now is we're going to tap on our little puzzle piece in our top right corner and tap Manage Extensions. And now we're going to turn on developer mode if you haven't got it on already. So it'll just add some more information underneath the extensions, but this will also give you the ability to drag them in. So if I drag it in, my theme is applied, and yeah. So that is how you make your own Chrome theme. If you like this video, please put a like on this video, and if you want to watch more, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.